giving you a quick video to show you how to use the UTM tracker. So in the email, I gave you a link, and it's to a tool that will help you build out what we need to do to track our ads appropriately through Google Analytics. Now, what you will see here is an example I did for the cannabis webinar for the excuse me, what we did for Live Out Loud, right? What you need at a minimum are going to be two different tools or two different settings or things you're keeping track of to make this work. So first off, we need the landing page. So we'll build this out, and then from here on you can do it on your own since you will see how this works. So you start with the website. So we'll just okshomes.com. If we want to send them to a subpage, that's fine. You can just put whatever it is, but for right now, we'll just say okshomes.com. And then at the very least, we need to fill out these. So a campaign, now what I want to say is for source, medium, name, term, and content. These are all ways we can mark up the data, but there's nothing that's standardized about what you have to put in there, okay? So we can make it up however the hell we want to do it. For us to do what we need to do, basically, then it would be to, one, track it in the use tracker, probably by individual columns. So you'd have a source column, a medium, a name, a term, and a content. But then what you'd want to do would then be to fill these out, and then it'll give you a URL that you can use. Now, I don't know if you've seen these before, but what we're really looking for is the stuff after the question mark, the UTM source, the UTM medium, and everything else. This allows Google Analytics to catch that data and parse it accordingly for use within tracking everyone. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to say the campaign source is Craigslist, because obviously that's where it's all coming from. The medium will be, let's say, the medium will just be text ads. And again, I'm just making this up off the fly. You see a different way to keep track of everything as we do this. Obviously, speak up and we'll or let me know something, and then that way we can adjust it accordingly. Campaign name will just say starting set. The campaign term, for the campaign term, we'll go ahead and put this as the market. So say we'll just say start with Topeka. And for the campaign content, we'll just say we won't have anything. So here's what we could do, okay? Now, what you could say, actually, we'll do this, add one. So we're using this from Craigslist. They're text ads. It's the first set of the starting set. The term is going to be the market we're doing it for is Topeka. And then we have the content. This is ad number one. Then if you go down here, you'll have the URL that you'll want to use when you post it into Craigslist or any of the ads that you want to use this for. And then when we go into Google Analytics for the account, we'll be able to see this data and figure out which markets people are coming from and whatnot. So let me know if you have questions about this. This is just a quick video to show you how to do this. Again, all of these are... we can change this up as you see fit as we go through, but I'd like to have these 5 columns listed out on the actual use tracker, so that way we can double check and see where we're at. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.